Alright YouTube, so today's video we're actually going to be taking this and talking about, I'm just going to turn this a little bit here just so I can slide back here. We're talking about a slight change to the channel. Not really a change, it's something that we had talked about in the beginning when we actually started down this journey of doing a video 5 days a week, and I'm pretty sure you were expecting another megapixel Monday type of situation. So we did 10 episodes, which is about 10 weeks worth of just non-stop videos for 5 days a week, which is about 50 videos, and that was my actual goal, is to be able to do at least 50 videos in 2024. And then move into 2025 with maybe taking some of the days that were very popular with each and every one of you, and carry those forward, and some of the ones that were very informative but not quite as well received from all of you watching. Maybe we'll retire those and come up with some other thoughts around those days. So the update here is there is actually a photographic camera update and whatnot, so stay till the end. So which one of these, so Megapixel Monday, TTL Tuesday, you have your Wide Open Wednesday, your Therapy Thursday, and the Focus Friday. The one that really stands out the most among all of you is the Therapy Thursday. That was one that was so well received, and the amount of comments, the more people come on Thursdays, just to do that therapy together, right? It's kind of cool to be able to do that. So that's going to continue, and the others will probably be relaxed, but on Thursday, so look for that. And what I'm planning to do is also do some new things, more reviews, more informative things for you on what's really happening in the world out there. So I'm not going to make this video very, very long. It's short, it's to the point, but setting the tone for what's coming ahead. Camera update, Canon R7 apparently got a version 1.6.0 firmware update. And in that update, they did something different because the files look kind of incredible compared to what they used to look like. So Canon, I know you're not saying anything, but I think you snuck some stuff in there, and I'm kind of shocked actually at how good it looks compared to what it used to. There's some news floating around out of China. Apparently there's some firmware update that's supposed to be coming. I don't know if they snuck that in here and or more things coming, but if they can get more sensitivity out of the sensor and keep it going, that would be pretty incredible, because I love my R7, as you guys know. So more to come on that, but I'll actually do a video showing you the actual files in there, so then you're kind of aware of what it looks like and how good it looks actually. So that was the sort of the update on the channel, update on the Canon R7. I do have some things to talk about with the R5 Mark II. I think there's one thing that is kind of bothering me a little bit, but then there are other things that I really, really, really like. So more videos like that coming throughout the week, and then we'll also dive into other cameras, because a lot of people want to know about older cameras, because now everyone and their brother is, waking up to, hey, DSLRs aren't so bad. Maybe I should consider one, or maybe I should hang on to mine, whatever. And all of you guys are actually asking for that. So let me know your comments below. Not everyone can afford the latest and greatest. I can't either all the time. I can do okay. I can go get it. But what I don't want to do is just continue to just keep buying stuff. And we need to produce a lot more. So I've been producing quite a lot of things. I've been printing a lot of things, so a lot of cool things coming there. And 247 Media Group is also Camera Sutra, ready to go to India, and we're going to be attending 2 weddings. No, I'm not going to photograph them, but I'm going to photograph some or something just to show you guys how incredible it is. But other than that, we are going to be creating a lot of content from different parts of India. And want you to be able to see some of that, what it really looks like on the ground. So this PowerShot V10 is going, and then let me know what other cameras you think I should be taking with me. I need something light. I need something very, very manageable. I'm not going to be taking big lenses and knock myself out. I don't give a shit for full frame, this, that. If I can take my RX1R, which is full frame, fine. I'm good to go, 42 megapixels. But I want to avoid taking 10 different lenses and then lose my mind. So leave your comments below on what do you think there. So with that, I'm going to wrap this up under 6 minutes. So like, subscribe, be nice to each other, go out there, create your magic, and wait for a video tomorrow and the next day and the next day. I'm going to try to do one every day, if not one every other day. So at least it's something informative and something exciting for you to watch. But on Thursday, come back and we'll do Therapy Thursday, because that was the one that you all loved the most. And some of you even commented if you get rid of some of the other days, it should be fine. And I want to do a lot more of the tutorials, because the amount of people that really like those tutorials, and all of you guys that gave me supers, which is like, $2.99 or whatever, for making the thing. I really appreciate each and every one of you taking the time going through it. I hope they were informative. We can do a lot more, and then we can do some more generalized Canon-based, Sony-based, that kind of thing, to give you some idea which can apply across the entire ecosystem for that camera. Nikon, I'm still getting, better at fooling around with it, understanding some of the illogical placements, but some of them are very logically placed based on the Nikon, mindset. But compared to when you come from a different brand, it seems like it's out of place. And that doesn't mean it's good or bad. It's just different. So, with that, like, subscribe, be nice to each other, go out there, create your magic, and I will talk to you tomorrow in something new and something exciting. Take care.